What is the best method to reheat ham without losing its moisture?
Hello, everyone. Welcome to today's video, where we'll be discussing the best method to reheat ham without losing its moisture. Ham is a delicious and versatile meat that can be enjoyed in various dishes, but reheating it can sometimes be tricky. However, fear not, as we have some fantastic tips and techniques to share with you. So, let's get started.
Why is moisture retention important?
Before we dive into the best reheating method, let's briefly discuss why retaining moisture in ham is crucial. Ham tends to dry out easily, especially when exposed to high temperatures for extended periods. Losing moisture can result in a less flavorful and less tender final product. Therefore, it's essential to use a reheating method that minimizes moisture loss.
The best method, oven reheating.
When it comes to reheating ham while maintaining its moisture, the oven method is widely considered the best option. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you achieve succulent reheated ham. 1. Preheat your oven to 325 degrees Fahrenheit, 163 degrees Celsius. 2. Place the ham in an oven-safe dish or roasting pan, preferably on a rack to elevate it above the bottom. 3. Cover the ham tightly with aluminum foil or a lid to create a seal, preventing moisture from escaping. 4. Reheat the ham in the preheated oven for about 10 minutes per pound, 0.45 kilograms, of ham. This means that a 3-pound, 1.36 kilograms, ham would require approximately 30 minutes of reheating time. 5. Check the internal temperature of the ham using a meat thermometer. The safe internal temperature for reheating ham is 145 degrees Fahrenheit, 63 degrees Celsius. 6. Once the ham reaches the desired temperature, remove it from the oven and let it rest for a few minutes before serving.
Other tips for moisture retention.
While the oven method is the best overall option, there are a few additional tips you can follow to further enhance moisture retention. Wrap the ham tightly in aluminum foil or place it in an oven bag before reheating. This helps seal in moisture and prevent drying. Baste the ham with its own juices or a flavorful liquid, such as broth or apple juice, before reheating. This adds extra moisture and helps prevent dryness. Consider using a slow cooker if you have one available. Slow cooking the ham on low heat can help retain moisture and result in tender, juicy slices. And there you have it, folks. The best method to reheat ham without losing its moisture is by using the oven. Remember to preheat, cover, and monitor the internal temperature to ensure a perfectly reheated ham. Don't forget to follow the additional tips we shared for even better results. Thank you for watching, and we hope these tips help you enjoy delicious, moist ham every time you reheat it. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tricks. Happy cooking!